Ah, mais oui, bonjour. It's Alan from Small Affordable Cars in Tamworth. Got a cracking little SUV that's just come in and on sale right now. It's a 2014 Renault Captur 0.9 TCe. It's the Energy Dynamique MediaNav. The car's a Euro 5 and road tax on this is just £35 for the year. The car's presented in diamond black with diamond cut alloy wheels. A really good example, this car's one owner, 2 keys, and comes with full service history. 70,000 miles on the clock. We've just serviced and MOT'd the car as well, so along with the oil change, we've had 4 brand new tyres as well as front discs and pads on this one. So you can get in, enjoy the car with very little to spend. Great on fuel, only 90 brake horsepower, low insurance group, cheap to tax, as I say. Inside, fantastic condition, comes in grey, no rips or tears, media sat nav, got Bluetooth connectivity, and the car is pretty much ready to go. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, discuss finance, warranty extensions, delivery or anything else, please don't hesitate, get in touch. Thanks for watching, ta-da!